How to fix YouTube error code 0? This video is unavailable. Hello friends, when playing YouTube videos on Google Chrome, you might face error code 0. Follow the steps in the methods to fix this error. The first method is disable all the extensions. Launch the browser, click on three dots, go to extensions and click on manage extensions. Turn off all the extensions from here. If any ad block extension is installed, make sure that it is turned off. Once done, again click on three dots and select settings. Go to privacy and security. Over here, click on third party cookies. Then click on see all site data and permissions. Find youtube.com and delete this item. Close the browser and then relaunch the browser. Then try to play the video. If the issue still persists, then try using another web browser, such as Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser like Opera, Brave. However, there is no any other method to work properly, but you can try to turn off ad block and then sign out from your account and sign in again. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.